Transform your life. Discover how meditation can help you with anxiety, stress, focus, relaxation, and self-discovery. Hello everyone and welcome to this inspiring video about meditation. Today, we're going to talk about some of the most searched words related to meditation and how they can help transform your life. The first word we're going to cover is anxiety. Meditation can be a powerful tool for dealing with anxiety. When you meditate, you calm your mind and reduce stress, allowing you to focus on the present and find inner peace. The next word that we will address is stress. Many people turn to meditation as a way to deal with stress. By meditating, you can reduce blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and strengthen your ability to deal with stressful situations. The third word that we will address is focus. Meditation can help you improve your focus and concentration. When you meditate, you learn to train your mind to concentrate on one thing at a time, which can help you be more productive and efficient in your work and daily life. The fourth word that we will cover is relaxation. Meditation can be a wonderful way to relax and relieve muscle tension. When you meditate, your body naturally relaxes and your mind becomes calm and peaceful. The last word that we will cover is self-discovery. Meditation can be a personal journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. When you meditate regularly, you can learn more about yourself and discover new ways to connect with the world around you. In short, meditation can help you deal with anxiety, stress, improve your focus and concentration, relax and discover yourself. We hope this video was inspiring and has encouraged you to try meditation and see how it can transform your life. Thank you for watching.